Hey guys, I just found a wonderful tool. What I just did, I put my product into the tool and I found the output right away. So the photographs are for my Amazon listing. It generated for my primary photo as well as all the secondary images with all the details. I just wanted to also create 360-degree view of my these product and look at the output. It's amazing. The same way I also tried with Amazon A plus content and also the 360-degree photo shoot, all without writing any prompt. So you now know it's not the AI model, it's all the AI agents. So if you want to know how I did it, let's quickly dive in and see how you can also do the same. So first, let's go to the tools website. You can find the tools link in the description. So click on it, and once you click on it, you can find a sign up page. So you can sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up, you can see the dashboard. In the middle, you can see the prompt box where you can just put down any kind of topic and how would you like to generate your video with. And you can click on video. You can see there are so many different options like advertising studio, dynamic captions, lyrical video, create short videos, make explainer videos. Using your script, it generates video and you can clone yourself and create your own avatar. You can see here. So this tool is famous for its AI agents. So let's see. Here it says agent and models. So you can see so many different agentic models are available. Then you can see directly generative models, means all the top AI models are available here. So same way, you can also check out about trending topics and videos. If you want to explore different workflows, you can check it out here. And you can also explore how the different people has generated different videos using these AI agents and models. So for us, let's go back to agents and model and click on advertising studio. So you can see currently it is free for few weeks. So you can try it out as much as possible right now. So now you can see on the screen, they are providing automatically preset, means this tool has already generated multiple of agents. So each agent does their job and you get your right output. The same way, you can see the presets are about brand mood board, Amazon A plus content, thematic photography, catalog photography, Packshot 360, Amazon primary image, secondary image, 360 product video, hero shot, mockup generator, and mockup billboard. So now let's start with the one preset which is Amazon A plus content. So let's see. So once you click on it, it asks you to generate your project. So I have already generated mine, which is advertising studio. I'm just going to click on it. So once you create your folder, you can see at the bottom there is a prompt box, and I already selected Amazon A plus content. So the automatically written prompt or brief is here. So what I need to do, I just need to attach my image. And so I'm just going to online and I decided to take these shoe as my product. So I just downloaded all the images into my laptop. So I'm just going to upload one of them. So I uploaded my shoe image. So at the bottom there are some setting part. So if you click on here, it automatically selected. You can change the screen size, the number of images you're looking for, keep the unlimited on. Amazon A plus content is already selected and hit on unlimited. So this is the beauty of Agentic AI. Let's say if you are going to any real advertising agency, you just go there and brief about your requirements. You say like, I need an entire photo shoot of my product in this way. This is my theme, this is my product, this is my logo. So after taking all the brief from you, a director goes to the art directors, and art director decide what kind of prompts they want to use and how they want to take the entire photo shoot. After that, the photographer comes and take multiple of photos and goes to the editing team, and then the final output a client receives. These agentic AI knows their job and do the task as per their setting. So what we get directly is the final output. So this is different than AI model. This is not AI model only, this is AI model plus AI agents. So you can see the final output on the screen. Looks amazing, right? With all the different details. Now, if you want to make any changes to these details, you can do directly from here. You see on the right side at the bottom, it says edit using comments. So once you click on it, and you can say add the pricing $45 to my image, or in better word, product image. Now it will take some time. And now you can see our edited image on your screen. So fast, so accurate. Now I just wanted to add some more information. So I just tried something new here where I added the description, where I put it down more information, like I want to add the material, price and more thing about the product. And within few seconds you can see it has completely changed my A+ content. So now you see how easy to get the right kind of image. So let me try one more use case where I'm just going to use, instead of Amazon A+ content, let's try with the thematic photography. So I just selected thematic photography, and you can see automatic brief has been added. I can attach 2 images. So I'm just uploading quickly an image of my product, which is a purse. So again, I just downloaded these images from one of the online store. After that, everything else looks good. So I'm just going to click on unlimited. It's that easy. So now you can see the final output of our product on your screen. The agent has did their job well and added a lot of props and provided us a nice thematic image with our product. At the bottom right side, you can see you can edit the same image using comments. You can attach the same image to the prompt, and you can try to create the video, so on. You can upscale this image and download from here. So now we are going to check the next preset, which is Amazon primary image and secondary image. So if you have gone to any Amazon product page, you can see the first image of the product has nothing but just a good quality photograph of the entire product. And if you go to the next images, you can see the secondary images where you can see the product in details along with lot of details you can see on the screen. So if you want to generate this kind of high quality Amazon product listing primary and secondary images, you can use this tool, and currently it is free, so you can try as many times as possible. Let's go back and try for one of our product. So you can just click here at the bottom, thematic photography, and then scroll down and click on primary image. Now you see our brief is already there, and now let me select one of the image. So I'm just going to select this product image. Once the product is uploaded, I just want to create 2 images for this product. So you can see if you want to generate 2 images simultaneously, you cannot use the unlimited part, but that's fine. Let's try the generate. So now you can see our Amazon product listing primary image is ready, and you can see the clarity of image. So the same way you can create multiple of secondary image, and you can upload to your Amazon product listing. So now we tried like couple of their presets. Now let's try one more which I wanted to try, which is 360 product video, because I always like to watch the video where it is showing the product into 360 degree. I already tried some AI models, but this one is different because it has the agent which can understand and do the different tasks and just give us the final output. So let me try with 360 product video preset. So once you select it, you see the prompt has already been generated, which is very simple. And here my same shoe image is attached, which I'm going to remove it. And this time I'm just going to add a outfit image. So I have already downloaded the image from my online store. So now uploaded all my images. So let's see how does it generate. I'm just going to click on unlimited. So now we have to wait for few seconds, and I'm really excited to see how does it come up. So you can see the final output with 360-degree video on the screen. You can download it and you can upload to your product listing. So I just wanted to try something real, because these are all images I taken from online store, and they might have already gone through the proper photo shoot of product. So what I did, I just like taken the photograph of my mic and its box, and let's try this one and see how good it is with these kind of raw photos. So what I'll do, let's go to the trend and go to advertising studio, and I just wanted to try with, let's say, Amazon primary image feature. Let's see how good it is with my original product. So I'm selecting one image. Okay, so I have uploaded my product box image. Let's see how good it is with Amazon primary image. I'm just going to hit on unlimited. Let's wait for a few seconds, and then we have our final output. So now you can see the final output of my product Digitech on the screen. So I just want to use my same mic product with the Packshot 360, which is the different preset. It has the 4 photo upload option. So I'm just going to select my case and the box image. So you can see all of them I have attached. So I can hit on unlimited. So it's not letting me create using unlimited. So I'll just use my credit. Let's see. So now you can see my final photo with 360-degree view with my mic Digitech. If I'll compare with the original photos, it did much better job. So that's the beauty of AI agents. So now let's try this shoe with the product 360-degree video. Let's try right now and see how is the output. So I'm just going back to my preset, selecting the product video, and I have a multiple photo upload options where I'm just going to upload as many photos as possible, and I have only 4 photos, so I just upload it, and then I can hit on generate. Now look at the 360-degree product view of my shoes. It's amazing. You can see from all the different angles. I love the output of all the different presets. So we tried a lot of different photos we used from online listing, and we also tried with my own product, which is available right now here. And you can see it has generated good quality, accurate images much faster. The beauty is you don't need to write the lengthy prompt. You just need to give the brief as you are telling any marketing or photography agencies, and it's doing a fantastic job. So I hope you learn how you can create your product photo shoots for listing on Amazon or listing on your websites or for different marketing purpose. So if you learned something new from this video, then make sure you hit like button, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your e-commerce friend. See you in the next one.